Fields of expertise related to multimedia. Project managers. Now, a project manager is essentially the person that is obviously managing the project, as the name suggests. It is their role to ensure that the developing system, so the new system being created, is being created to a planned design based on identified requirements and is being completed in accordance with a set schedule. Okay, so they don't have all the time in the world, they don't have all the resources in the world. They've been told, this is your budget, this is what we want, and this is when we want it by. Okay, and they're to make sure that from the inception of the project right down to its finalization, that it is completed in accordance with those factors. The management role means that the project manager oversees the entire project, consulting with all parties involved with its development, ensuring communication occurs between these different team members as well as through outsourced parties. Okay, so if an element might require, being that it is an actual multimedia system that we're referencing here, that we contact a video production team to develop an actual video portion for the larger system that we are creating. Okay, then we might have to then go to a sound studio to get music made for the actual package that we're making as well. Okay, the project manager is in charge of overseeing all this and ensuring that communication is taking place there. Ultimately, the project manager is responsible for ensuring all parts of the project come together, meeting the initial requirements as set within the actual time frame and obviously within the specifications. And we've talked about it in information process technology before, your requirements report and assessing feasibility, all those requirements there in order to create this new system. So when we're thinking about this, we're thinking about it from its inception at understanding the problem. Okay, then we've got to actually plan all the ideas, we've got to design the system, we've got to implement it into the actual system that we're talking about, and then we've got to evaluate it. Okay, this type of stuff, this is right at the beginning of project management courses when studying a lot of courses. Okay, essentially the project manager is responsible for overseeing this whole cycle, okay, when developing a new system, and obviously here in relevance to multimedia systems.